Wisconsin Republicans threaten to fire state Supreme Court judge over Democratic donations. Madison, Wisconsin Republicans, who cite dismissal of a state Supreme Court judge before hearing case, cite nearly $10 million he received from Democratic Party as proof that he cannot make a fair decision on redistribution of cases, which could weaken cases. The GOP holds the legislature, but the state GOP and other conservative groups have given the campaign money to other judges, and they are not holding back on cases involving donors. All but one of the judges received contributions from a national, state, or county-level party, according to data from Wisconsin's campaign finance system and an analysis by the Wisconsin Campaign for Democracy, which tracks campaign spending. Conservative judges Brian Hagedorn and Rebecca Bradley received contributions from the state's Republican Party of approximately $150,000 and $70,000, respectively. The state Democratic Party donated more than $1.3 million to liberal Judge Jill Karofsky's campaign. "It's what I call selective anger," said Jay Heck, a longtime observer of the Wisconsin Supreme Court and director of the Wisconsin Joint Trial, a nonpartisan government watch group. "Incredibly hypocritical." Heck said there was no outrage from Republicans that conservative judges had heard multiple cases involving his conservative donors over the years. Republican House Majority Leader Tyler August tried to make a distinction with Protasevich when asked on Thursday whether he thought Republican-funded judges should withdraw from redistribution cases. "He clearly prejudiced the case," August said. "We're talking about this case. This justice. I'll leave it at that." The interest in the Wisconsin Supreme Court follows a pattern of increasing scrutiny of state judges across the country. State Supreme Court races have turned into some of the most high-profile political contests in the United States, becoming battlegrounds over access to abortion, voting rights, redistribution, and other key issues. Nearly $97 million poured into state Supreme Court races during the 20,192,020 election cycle, according to the Brennan Center for Justice. In 2024, 33 states will hold elections for seats on the Supreme Court. In Wisconsin, judges are not required to recuse themselves from hearing cases involving campaign donors. The conservative majority the court approved rules in 2010 that allowed judges to hear cases involving campaign donors, and 2017 rejected a request for a clearer standard of rejection. Despite this, Protasevich promised during his campaign that he would withdraw from any lawsuit filed by the Democratic Party, which would benefit from the drawing of new maps. Eventually, progressive groups were presented separately. Still, some Republicans cite the nearly $10 million Judge Janet Protasevich received from the Wisconsin Democratic Party as a reason for her withdrawal from redistricting cases. Some threaten him.